So here we are repairing this boat generator here. It's a 4-cylinder. It's a Kholer engine, and it is on a houseboat. And I'm out here at the lake. I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. And we're gonna start this repair off really easy. We're gonna get off this air filter cover, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. But other than that, check this out. Beautiful scenery here in the desert. We're at Lake Mead. So right here I got an air filter. I took off the bolts already here, but right under here there is a, because now they're like, oh, you can't get that off, but this thing, this plate on top here, it actually has a little kind of like a hose clamp thing. So we're gonna loosen that up and we should be able to pull this right off. Looking at it, it was a flat head. Sorry about the wind, it's a real windy day today. Okay, dropped a few bolts. Not a big deal. But yeah, see, so pretty much right here, let me show you guys, hang on. Right here was the clamp we are loosening. So you guys see, it's just a clamp. And now we have access to this carburetor. So what I want to do now is I want to put this aside where I'm not going to lose it. And now I'm going to see what happens when we try to start it. I'm going to move my tools. I'm going to push start. No fire. Now we are going to spray starting fluid right in the throat, and this should pop it up. And because it's not, that's showing me we're not either getting spark or compression. I believe this carburetor is getting fuel. I will test that here in a minute, but it feels like we're not getting spark or compression. Now it's a pain in the ass because look what I gotta walk all the way over here and I'm standing on some batteries. But I'm gonna blow out the C right back here. Yeah, we're gonna test these sparks, make sure we're all sparking up. So let me go get my spark plug tester. Now I know technically this is a little bigger than what we normally work on in small engine repair. I think if you know this is a Kholer, I feel like this is a Ford engine. So we're the same methods apply for diagnostics. We're going to take our spark plug tester, pop it in. Now we're going to start it and look for spark. Okay, we got spark on cylinder 4. And that means we're all gonna have spark on all the cylinders, but we're just checking. And now we'll go to the next one. Cylinder 3 here. Pop it in. Start it, look. We got spark. So I'm going to check the other 2 cylinders off camera and I'll let you know if anything updates. Now you guys are going to be blown away here because we have a rule in small engine repair that says it's never the spark plugs. And I tested the spark. We had all 4 spark, right? On this little Ford engine here. And well, the thing of it is though, it's actually one of the spark plugs looked like this. So we were getting spark in there, but this spark plug was shot. So I replaced the spark plug, and now, of course, it's gonna make a liar of me. And now she runs again. And real quick test, we're gonna make sure that water is pumped into it. We're gonna go look. You guys can probably see the bubbling right there. That means the water is sucking up from the lake and cooling off the engine and spitting the water back. So it's purely water cooled, this generator, purely water cooled. And it's just off of the beautiful water, not polluting nothing. But right here, a blown spark plug. So we are still making a connection, so we were still showing spark. But when I removed it on cylinder 4, I noticed it was completely blown. So that was the problem. So I'm still going to replace all 4 spark plugs. I'm just going to go ahead and replace them. I don't know if I actually have them. I'm going to check. And then I'm going to do another test start. And I think that will be the end of this journey of this beautiful houseboat. So the new owners are taking possession of it. So we need a generator fixed. Kind of a big deal on one of these. You know, go out there and party all day, drink. But you know, the bad thing is you got to be careful because a lot of people do die. A lot of people do go missing here in Lake Mead. And it's like, I think it's like 40 a year or more. Probably less. But yeah, be careful on the water, you know. I know it's all fun and games, you know, being on a party boat. Look at all these party boats, so many people always partying. And everyone seems to have a slide too. But yeah. So ladies and gentlemen, I still had a lot of fun working on this boat, even though it turned out to be a little anticlimactic. I mean, I did clean a few jets on the carburetor off camera with my little micro drills without fully taking it apart. But once we checked spark and I realized I had spark, I went to look at the spark plugs, maybe change them, and I noticed that one was busted. I didn't notice it on the initial spark plug test. And then I plugged it in and it wasn't sparking on that. Put a new spark plug in. I mean, it still should have ran on the 3 cylinders, but I don't know if it was causing a short or something. But other than that, we got this machine running. The customer's super happy. And now I got a 7-day parking pass for Lake Mead. Probably won't come out here, but still really fun to come out and work on a boat, on a dock. Kind of weird, you know, watching it move. So, as always, ladies and gentlemen, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, hit that subscribe button. Your boy needs the subscribers. But right there and right there, those are some videos. Playlist, you know what I mean? Yeah, Ford engine's a little bigger than what we work on. Subscribe button should be on my head. Thank you guys for watching. See ya.